Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video I will show to make this animation with using After Effects. Let's get started. So guys, welcome back, and first one, select this background layer. Let's look here and select this C3 main layer. Let's go solo. Okay, and press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe and go to 10 seconds. Change 90 and let's animation. Okay, we have simple rotate animation. So right now select this layer D1. Let's go to solo. Okay, this is dots layers and select this D1, link to C3. Okay, nice, and select this layer 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 layers. Go to solo. Okay, and let's link to layer C3 and let's animation. Okay, so right now we have problem and I will show you solution how to make rotation for these single layers. Go to first second, select the layer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and select all these layers. Go to solo and select this pen behind icon, select layer 1 and move the anchor point up, select layer 2, moved up, select layer 3, moved up, and layer 4, moved up, and layer 5 and layer 6, moved up, and 7, moved up. Okay, so select again these layers, unsolo, and press R, open rotation, make rotation keyframe, and go to last second, change rotation minus 90. And let's animation. Okay, very nice, it works. So let's close keyframe settings, select this layer C2, let's go to solo. Okay, let's lock layer and C1 and press R, make rotation keyframe, go to last second and change minus 90. Okay, very nice. So guys, thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.